Hey, it's Ronan, your accordion teacher. Today's title is not a joke. How do we start a song? By playing its ending. This is a unit on how to start songs. We know a few ways of starting songs. We know how to do a doina, a long, drawn-out start, if you want to get people's attention. We know how to start on the 5 chord if you're looking to get people to get together, with, especially with voices or other instruments. This one is starting a song by playing its ending. We already learned about this a little bit in the song ending unit. We call this how to tag a song. Sometimes if you're playing with a group of people, you'll say, tag the ending, in which case you play the last bar or two of the song. We see it, we can do it on any song, and I'll give you a few examples. Today, we'll see how to start a song by playing the last bar or two of the song, the song's ending. A really popular example is in jazz music, and let me give you a few examples. In the song All of Me, you took apart what once was my heart, so why not take all of me? We can play that part to start a song, right? It goes 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. All of me. Right? So we started the song with a tagged ending, and that works to make sure you're in the right key. It's not as sudden as 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. And you get the wrong notes like I did. It works with lots of other songs. Let's do Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. We could start it normally. Fine. Or we could start it with the last few bars, with the tagged ending, which is, right, so we started off with that part. If we're looking at Bella Ciao, instead of starting it with fine, we could start it off with how to right, it's kind of a rolling start. If we're looking at, what other songs do we know? A klezmer song. Hava Nagila, let's do. So Hava Nagila, we could start off as there's a time to start it like that. There's also a time to start with right, so I started off with da 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 da. And so let's break it down a little bit more. What I'm doing is I'm playing the tagged ending, revisit my lesson on how to tag an ending to really identify the last parts of the song. It's really up to you. We could just do, or we could do, I think the idea is to have a little bit, you're revealing a little bit of the song, but it's still a bit sparse. In my case, I'm not doing the full bass work. I'm not starting off with, right? That's revealing a bit too much. It's starting at 100%. I might start off with, and, right? Or I might do a 5 before the 5 chord, which is another way to start before starting the song. But again, instead of just starting with a free-form doina, that works. Instead of starting with a 5 chord, I could choose to combine those things. Let's go back to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. 5. Right? So again, it's another little tool in your arsenal, in your toolkit of how do you start a song. If I'm not sure of the exact song, of the right notes, but I could sing it in my head a little bit, so I'm thinking of the song Stairway to Heaven. Sure, I could start with an intro. You see that I'm not playing the right thing. I kind of know the chords, but I could start off. Right, so I started off with, and she's buying a stairway to heaven. Now, etc. So that's one way to start a song. Again, it's starting with the ending of the song. If you're a part of a band, you could say, let's start with a tagged ending. Tagged ending is that little bit at the end, but bring it to the start. Good. Accordion Love members, this is your April challenge. I'd love for you to take a song that you know, or a song you're working on, and start the song with that tagged ending. Start the song with a tagged ending. I'd love to see your results over in the Accordion Love forums. If you've never heard of the Accordion Love Monthly Challenge, Accordion Love students, every month I post a challenge, and every month students submit their entries. It's good at any level, whether you're a pro or a beginner. You work at your own pace. And if you do it 6 times in a year, I send you Accordion Love merch, like the t-shirt I'm wearing under here that you can't see. And if you do it 12 times in a year, I'll send you an Accordion Love price pack. Some Accordion Love members are on their 29th straight challenge, which is unreal. It's awesome. Thank you. It's a great way of just seeing how your progress is over the course of your Accordion Love journey. Anyways, I hope to see you over there. Thank you very much. You took apart what once was my heart, so why not take all of me?